Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down essentials: budget, exact model, and non-negotiable specs. This saves time. Once set, open 2 to 3 trusted sources, manufacturer outlets, certified resellers, and major marketplaces, and apply filters right away. Make sure to require official refurbished labeling, at least a 90-day warranty, and seller ratings above 95%. Doing this narrows hundreds of listings to a manageable few. It also reduces risk, because quality and protections are the first line of defense when buying used electronics. Next, you dig into each promising listing to confirm what refurbished actually means. Look for specifics: parts replaced, test procedures, and cosmetic grade. These explain why the price differs. Make sure the seller publishes IMEI or serial number and battery health. Then, compare the full landed cost, price, tax, shipping, and potential repair expenses, and read the return policy and warranty terms carefully. If something's unclear, message the seller. Transparency about testing and guarantees usually separates safe buys from risky ones. When you're ready to buy, choose a secure payment method and save every receipt and confirmation. Once the phone arrives, inspect it immediately. Confirm IMEI matches listing, power it on, test charging, cameras, speakers, sensors, and run a quick battery health check. If everything checks out, register the device and save the warranty. If you find problems, act fast. Use the return window, collect photos and logs, and initiate a dispute with the seller or payment provider. Quick documentation is your strongest troubleshooting tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.